Good morning, students. Hope you are fine. Your PT1 exam is completed. Now you have to prepare for midterm. Okay? Today I will teach you chapter 4. Earlier I taught some portion of this chapter, but today I will revise it again. Okay? So open page number 43. More on HTML. Okay? In earlier chapters, you have learnt what is HTML and how to make web page with the help of HTML. There are so many tags. With the help of those tags, we can create web page. First, we have to write the tags or program in Notepad, and then we have to save it in name.html. Afterward, with the help of web browser, we can see the web page. Okay? In this chapter, more on HTML. Few more tags you will learn here. First, heading tag. A document usually contains title and subtitle. These are the heading of the document. Headings are a great way to organize your information on the web page. That means you know that heading is very important in your chapter. Here, the heading of the chapter is more on HTML. And this is called subheading. After the heading, it is subheading. Okay? So these are the headings of the document. Heading are a great way to organize your web page. You can add headings to the web page in HTML using the heading tag. HTML provides 6 levels of heading. H1 defines the largest heading, largest side of the text, and H6 tag defines the smallest level. Let's see the different type of headings. Type the following code in the notepad file and save the file as an HTML file. Okay? See, here are the codes. HTML, the starting of the program, head. In head tag, you can write the title, and metadata means the data which you cannot see, but you can see in program, but not in web page. And title end, then head end. Okay, then body. Here level 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 6, and body completed and HTML. The output of the program will be heading tag level 1, that means the biggest, then afterwards this. Double click the HTML file to view the output of the above code. The output is displayed in figure 4.1, this one. HTML automatically displays each heading in a new line. Okay, that means it will show you in new line, not side by side. Now, paragraph tag or P tag. When you want to write multiple lines of text, you divide the text into paragraphs. Normally, when we write anything long like paragraphs, essays, okay, you divide it in several paragraphs. Okay? Students, you are listening? Listen carefully. In MS Word notepad, enter key adds a new paragraph in the document. That means normally in Word document, MS Word or Notepad, we use enter key to change the paragraph. But here in HTML, the enter key does not add a new line in the paragraph, but you use paragraph tag. The paragraph tag adds an empty line above and below the paragraph. That means you will get the empty line, like here. See, one empty line is here. Syntax of paragraph is angle bracket P. This is an example of paragraph /P. Empty line means this type of line, blank space you will get. Okay. Then line break. Line break means suppose you have written, want to write the name of the fruits one by one. Then you have to use the BR tag to change the line. A line break also starts a text in new line. However, unlike the paragraph tag, it does not add an empty line. That means it does not give the empty line, but one by one. See here. Open Notepad, type the following code. Here it is one by one. In this place we can use BR tag, but B tag gives the one blank line. Okay. The line break tag can be useful for writing poems and address. The difference between the paragraph tag and line tag is shown. See here. BR tag means next line and paragraph tag means gives an empty line. Okay. Then HR tag. HR tag means horizontal line is shown in the program. That means one underline. The HR tag is used to draw a horizontal line across the page. It is an empty tag and does not require closing tag. That means only HR tag you have to write. No, the closing tag. Closing tag means /HR tag. Okay. If you want the heading to appear in the middle of the web page, you can use the center tag along with the heading tag. That means you know it better that when we want to display anything in the middle of the page, we use center tag. Okay. So if I want to see the heading in the center, then we have to use the center tag with the heading tag. We use along with the heading tag. The opening tag of the center tag is center and the closing tag will be /center. Now here one example is given. That means how to write a program. Okay. Maya's mother wants to create a cooking website. She is currently creating a web page on making cake at home. However, because of her busy schedule, she cannot find time to create the web page. Can you help Maya's mother? Use the different tag learned till now to create the web page. Here, to create the web page, these are the steps. Open Notepad, type the following code. Then what is the code? See here, it is very long code. HTML head, title, making of cake at home. This is title, head, body. In body you have to write this. Yummy chocolate cake /H1 HR. That means H1 means biggest text and HR means horizontal line. See here. Yummy chocolate cake, and then one line is here. That this is the meaning of HR tag. Now P, birthday is incomplete without a cake. From kids to adults, everyone loves cakes. How about making a cake at home? /P. P means change of paragraph and one line also. See here, it changed the paragraph and one blank line also here. Okay, so P tag is used here. Then again P, making a cake is very simple and creative. Just measure all the ingredients, mix them in right order and bake the cake. Your yummy cake is ready in just 1 hour. /P. It is also, see, next line, one blank line also here and the content is written. To make a chocolate cake, all you need is /P. Here, see, again also P tag, one blank line and the sentence. Then plain flour, eggs, butter, sugar, baking powder, cocoa powder. See, it is here, it is written BR tag. Listen carefully. Here it is written BR tag, means line break. It is written one by one, no blank line. Okay, BR tag is used, that the text will become next line but no blank line. It come one by one. Okay, and save the file as makingcakeathome.html. Open the file to view the output. Okay, then you understood, I think. It is clear to you? Now, using fonts and its attributes. Fonts means different type of text, maybe color, big size. Okay, these are called fonts. Fonts and colors play an important role in any document. They add style to the document and make it attractive. HTML uses the font tag to add styles and colors to the web page. However, the font tag cannot be used individually. It needs to be used with its attributes. Let's now learn about some of the font attributes. Okay, that means when we use font and color, HTML use font tag, add style, different type of, and color. Okay, the font tag cannot be used individually. It need to use the attributes, means size, color. Okay, now how it will be used? See, first size. The size attribute. You can use the size attribute along with the font tag to adjust the size of the text in your web page. The syntax of the size attribute is font size. Listen carefully. Angle bracket, font size equal to, and inside it will be the size, means number, and then angle bracket close. The tag starts with font size equal to this and the A and ends with /font. That means after completing you have to close the tag. Let us create a web page with a different font size. Type the following code in a notepad file and save it as HTML file. See here, HTML, head, title, font size in HTML, title close, head close, and the body. H1, and size will be H1. That means bigger size. Okay, that is heading tag, font sizes, /H1, HR. HR means one horizontal line will appear. See here, font sizes, then HR. Okay, then font size 7. This is the big font, /font. See here, this is, see, it is big font, number is 7. BR means next line. This is the default and font end. That means default means by default the size you get in your computer. That is called default. And afterward, either make it bigger or smaller. Okay. So, and next BR means next line, font size 2. This is the small font. See here, the size is very small. And font closed, body closed, and the HTML tag is closed. Okay, that means you understood how the font and color is used. Sorry, here font and here you will learn how to use the color. In previous classes I taught up to here only, that is the revision portion, and then I am starting this one. Color attribute. You can use the color attribute along with the font tag to change the color of the text in your web page. Syntax of the color attribute is, so when you use the font, that means the size of the text, and with that you can use the color also. The default color is black. Normally when you type in MS Word, Notepad or anywhere, you get the but here you can use the different colors available in HTML. So what will be the tag? See here, font, angle bracket, font, color equal to, inside the quotes you have to write the color. The tag starts with the font, color equal to, and ends with the slash font. Okay. See here, we can also combine the size and the color attribute in font tag. That means size also and color also. To use font tag, always spell color as color. See, remember that one. LOUR normally in computer you have to write COLOR, otherwise it will not take. Your tag will be wrong. For example, let's rewrite the above code to display the different sizes and colors of the text. See here, HTML head, title, font size in the HTML, title close, head close, then body. H1, font size equal to H1, then HR. This is the heading. Font size H1 means the largest heading, and then HR means horizontal line. Then font size equal to 7. See here, note carefully. Font size equal to 7, color equal to red. Okay, it is given together, font size and color. This is the big font, slash font. Then BR means break, line break means next line, font color blue. This is the default. That means you have not given any size, so the font size will be default, what is in your computer or laptop. Then BR, font size 2, color green. This is the small font, font close, body and HTML. See here, output, font size, heading. This is the big font and color is red. See, 7 and color red. Then here only color is given but not size. That means it is default size. Okay. And then next size is given 2 and color green. That means it is 2 means very smallest size. Okay. And color is green. So you have to mention the color and size. If you want to write in default, then default size, then you don't have to mention the size of the font. Okay. You noticed here, font size and color is written together. Okay, and output also you can see this one. All modern browser supports 140 HTML colors. Each color has a unique hex code and RGB value. That means there are so many colors in your computer, but you don't know there are hexadecimal number of the color. Okay, mainly we write green, red, blue. These are they can understand, but so many colors are there and it has the number, unique number. Okay. Now checkpoint. Dash tag define the smallest heading of HTML. What is this? This is H6. Okay. The HR tag inserts a horizontal line in the HTML document. HR tag. The syntax of color attribute is angle bracket font color equal to quote, and then after the content you have to complete it and close it. Okay. Now here time of action. See, I won't read this one. You can read and get the output here. Okay. And if you have computer or laptop at home, you can practice it. Now adding list. List means, suppose I told you write the name of the 6 fruits. Then you will write in order and in list like number 1, 2, 3. That is called making list. You must have used bullet as an MS Word document to add a numbered list or a bullet list. In a similar way, you can add a list in HTML too. HTML provides 2 types of list. That means normally when you type in MS Word, either you use bullet. Bullet means this type of. Bullets means black dots or this type of. Okay, but these are called unordered list. That means there is no order like write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and ordered list means you have to write the number. Unordered list and ordered list. Unordered list. An unordered or bulleted list is a list in which the items are not arranged in a particular order. An example of the bulleted list is shown below, like book, notebook, compass box. The HTML code for the above list is given alongside this type of. You will means unordered list, and then L1, number 1, list 1, book, list 1 completed, then this one LI, notebook, LI means list, compass box, and close of unordered list. The unordered list tag is used to create an unordered list. The closing tag of the UL tag is /UL. The LI tag is used within the UL tag. That means LI means list tag is used under UL tag. That means first you have to write UL means unordered list, and then LI will be used. The LI tag also has an opening and closing tag. The LI tag can be used as an empty tag also without the closing tag. The default type of unordered list is the filled circle. Filled circle means circle, but it is filled. That means black circle. You can add different type of bullets using the style attribute. The types of bullets for an unordered list as shown in table 4.1. See here. Which type of unordered list we can use dice or field circle. This is the default bullet. That means if you won't mention anything, then it will give this size. Then circle, this is unfilled. That means round, this one. And square, means this type of circle, and of field square, this type. Okay. So 3 types of unordered list we can use here. For example, to add the square type bullet, the syntax will be li style equal to list style type and colon square. See, it is very long tag. Li style equal to, inside the quotes, list dash style dash type colon square, quotes close and angle bracket close. You don't need to use the style attribute to use the default bullet. If you give the default, means this type of bullets, then you don't have to write the style. Only here, see, L1 notebook, see, no style is given in the code. See here, only a li. Okay. Let's write the HTML code to display the type of the bulleted list. Okay, listen. First, today up to here only. Okay, and next day I will teach the next portion. Okay, students, thank you for joining the class.